Manage applications. Once the job description is created and published, the next step is to manage the applications. To start managing the applications for a job, navigate to the top page and click on the Applications section on the top right corner of your job listing. The Applications page shows the list of candidates who have applied for this job. The list includes candidates who have applied from the various sources, including 1. Candidates who have applied for the job published on job boards, recruitment agencies, social networks, emails, and employee referrals. 2. Candidates from your candidates database. 3. Candidates sourced by you manually from other sources and added using the New Candidate button on this page. 4. Candidates sourced and added by you using the RecruiterKit's Google Chrome extension app. You can click on the resume icon on the top right corner of each listed candidate to view their resume. You can start managing candidate applications by clicking on the Process Application tab. Here, you'll find options to assign tasks, attach reference documents, update status, and add comments in the discussion section. You can process the application yourself and move it to another stage directly by clicking on the Update Status tab. Alternatively, you could assign it as a task to one of your colleagues by clicking on Process Application and then selecting Assign Task. You have an option to create a task with a due date or a specific time slot as a meeting invite, whichever suits you best. Describe the task details and press the Save button. RecruiterKit will send calendar invitations to the hiring panel members with details of the task that's been assigned to them. Once the task is completed, the panel members can share their feedback on their ACT page. You can view the entire set of activities on a candidate's application, including all the feedback and discussions, using the Timeline View option. You'll find this on the top right corner of the candidate's application listing. You can change the candidate status based on the outcome of the feedback from the panel by clicking on the Update Status tab. Based on the stage you've moved the application to, you can proceed with managing the activities that are specific to the new stage. As soon as you start managing candidates for a job, RecruiterKit's intelligent feature called Intuitive Validation starts working for the job. Intuitive validation is a machine learning algorithm that learns the pattern by which you shortlist candidates and recommends suitable candidates for the job. You can review the resumes for these and, if found suitable, associate them to the job using the checkbox on the candidate card. The cards are color-coded so that you can differentiate between active candidates in red, those who have applied for this job, from the passive candidates that are present in your candidates database but have not applied for the job. Now, in case you want to search for a specific candidate or a specific set of candidates, you can use the Intelligent Search feature in the search bar. RecruiterKit also provides a Google Chrome extension called RecruiterKit Spring to help you source candidates directly from the web. You can install the RecruiterKit Spring extension from the Google Chrome store. Once you have Spring installed, search and open the candidate's profile in a job board, say NACRI. Press Ctrl+A to select the candidate details from the page. Then, click on the Spring icon on the Chrome browser toolbar. Spring parses candidates' details from the page automatically. Add the candidate to the candidate database by clicking the Add Candidate button. Alternatively, you can add and associate the candidate to a job in one click. To do this, simply select the job prior to clicking on the Add Candidate button. You can detach candidates who are rejected by the panel using the Detach tab. All right, that sums up the application management process. Watch our next video for generating HR reports using RecruiterKit Insights. Happy recruiting!